Thank you. Now today we are trying to highlight why we dress like ninjas when we are doing this business of toilet emptying in Uganda. So we put on these protective gears because we need to be safe. You know, the business we are dealing in is so dangerous to human life, human health. Okay, so there are diseases like typhoid, tetanus. So that's why we try to protect our lives. Our bodies are not in touch with feces. So we put on the helmets. These helmets protects our head. For example, the structure of toilets we are emptying, where we are working from. In most cases, the structures are not strong enough. So you find that bricks sneaking, what. So we put on the helmet to avoid those falling objects from that hit our head. Then we put on eye goggles. This one helps us. For example, in case there is a spread of sludge like pumping, for example, we put on eye goggles to protect our eyes. In most cases, you find when you are pumping using that galper pump, sometimes it can bring sludge with much pressure, so you find that the sludge can spread. So we avoid the sludge to be in touch with our eyes. We also put the nose masks to avoid that irritating gas from the toilets, which is very dangerous to our human organism. Then we put on these overalls for it so that our body is properly covered inside. The sludge cannot spread on our bodies. Then we also put the hand gloves. Hand gloves helps us to also to be safe, not touching directly into the fecal matters. Another one we have also, we put on these gumboots, as you can see, safety gumboots. Then they help us to be safe for our legs and everything. So that's why we dress like ninjas to protect our health. Okay, when we are doing this terrible work of toilet emptying, but we are happy, we are trained, and we know how to handle, to manage our lives when we are doing this work. Okay, thank you. To the part of transporting the waste from the containment point to the treatment plant, we focus on these main points, like a safety of the sludge packed in drums, so that all the drums should be sealed tightly so that they reduce on spillages on the roads. Then the trucks we are using on this work, they are just purposely for what? For this business. Then the equipment we use, we also clean them and sanitize them properly so that we are not spreading the germs all over the area wherever we go. And people, when we reach to the site, we use this warning tapes. We demarcate the place where we are going to park our truck and equipment, so that we are warning the people around that place where we are working from, not be in touch with the truck or maybe with the equipment you are using, because in most cases we have these younger kids, you find them playing around, but when we demarcate the area, then it warns someone that this is dangerous for their lives, so they don't tamper with our equipment, maybe working area.